Hello and welcome to Gateway Workshops. Our Anatomy and Physiology for Beginners course provides a clear, accessible introduction to the structure and function of the human body. It's ideal for anyone who is new to anatomy and physiology, but particularly those considering a career in massage, beauty, complementary therapy, health or wellness. It's also suitable for anyone who simply wants to understand more about the amazing human body. You don't need any previous knowledge or qualifications to begin, and we've carefully designed the course to make anatomy and physiology easy to understand without overwhelming you with unnecessary medical terminology. The course contains 13 lessons and it begins with the basic principles of anatomy and physiology, with anatomical terms, directional terms, cells and tissues. You'll then be able to explore the major systems of the body, including the skeletal, muscular, nervous, circulatory, respiratory system, and so much more. In the final lesson, you'll discover how these different systems all work together to maintain balance, movement, and everyday function within the body. Your course is delivered entirely online through Gateway Workshops' professional and easy-to-use learning platform. And inside your personal learning area, you'll find your course lessons, teaching videos, supplementary resources, additional reading, and a messaging area where you can contact your tutor at any time. You can study from home and work through the lessons at your own pace. Many students complete the course within 4 to 8 weeks, but you have up to a year to finish, and this gives you the flexibility to fit your studies around any other commitments. Your personal tutor will be available to guide and support you throughout your learning journey. And once you've completed all 13 lessons and you've passed the final multiple choice test, you'll be able to download your course certificate. So this course provides an excellent foundation for progressing to further training, including level 3 qualifications in anatomy and physiology, massage, reflexology, beauty therapy or sports massage. Gateway Workshops has been providing professional training since 1998 and is proud to offer high quality learning, experienced tutors and an ongoing student support. So begin your anatomy and physiology journey with Gateway Workshops today.